Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share an incredible crypto mining opportunity that allows you to earn from not one, but two different cryptocurrency projects using just a single device. Imagine making anywhere from $250 to over $2,100 per month simply by setting up a device that runs on minimal power and requires almost no maintenance. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because I'll break it all down for you. One of the cryptocurrencies this device mine is still in its early stages, giving you the chance to be an early investor. And if you know anything about crypto, getting in early can be life-changing. I'm always on the lookout for the next big opportunity, and today I found something special that I can't wait to share with you. This device isn't just in its early development stage, it's also highly profitable. It mines two different cryptocurrencies, GeodNet and WingBits, all from a single unit. In this video, I'll focus mainly on WingBits, as it has the potential to generate substantial earnings in the near future. Now, what exactly is WingBits? Instead, it's a project that rewards users for capturing automatic transmissions from commercial aircraft. These signals, known as ADS-B, Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast, provide real-time data on an aircraft's location, altitude, and speed. This data is far more accurate than radar, and it's publicly accessible. In fact, it's already required for most aircraft in the US. Traditionally, ADS-B data has been collected by hobbyists who contribute it for free to platforms like ADS-B Exchange. However, when ADS-B Exchange was acquired by GeodNet for $20 million in January 2023, those volunteers suddenly realized just how valuable their contributions were. The problem? They weren't getting paid for it. Meanwhile, aviation companies rely heavily on this data, with businesses like FlightRadar24 and FlightAware making millions from it. That's where WingBits comes in. It's the first flight tracking network that actually rewards data providers. So far, WingBits has tracked over 40 million flights, or about 130,000 per day. The long-term goal is to monetize this data and use the revenue for token buybacks and burns, making the token supply more valuable over time. So, how does WingBits make money? Potential buyers of this flight data include airlines, charter companies, and national air traffic control agencies. These organizations can use the data to enhance real-time flight tracking, improve safety, and optimize operations. The key is that, instead of relying on unpaid volunteers, WingBits offers token rewards to its contributors. Now let's talk about how you can start earning with this. Currently, there are two devices you can buy. The WB200, which costs $300 and mine only WingBits. The MGW 310, which costs $995 but mines both WingBits and GeodNet. The MGW 310 is the better deal, in my opinion. GeodNet miners are already profitable, and their positioning data is incredibly valuable. By getting the MGW 310, you're essentially getting two miners in one, without the hassle of managing multiple devices. So, how much can you actually make with these devices? It depends on several factors, including location and competition. If you're the only miner in a specific hex on the WingBits map, you'll earn more. If you're near an airport, even better. Looking at existing WingBits miners, earnings range from under 100 wings per day to over 900 wings per day. You can use the WingBits map and the Helium Deploy reward estimation tool to check expected earnings for your area. Let's break down some numbers. At 100 wings per day and a potential token price of $0.016, that's about $1.60 per day, or around $48 per month. If you have the MGW 310, you'll also mine GeodNet, which could bring your total earnings to about $250 per month. If you're earning 300 wings per day, you could be looking at around $340 per month. At 700 wings per day, your total earnings could exceed $500 per month. That means your GeoNet break-even period could be as short as 4 months, which is incredibly fast for a mining device. Now let's talk about the risks. Right now, WingBits tokens are still in the testnet phase. Their listing price and tokenomics are unknown, so these earnings estimates are based on educated guesses. The token launch could happen at any time, or it might have already happened by the time you're watching this. There's no KYC requirement, and the devices can be used in most countries. However, some locations, like China or Russia, might have stricter regulations. It's up to you to do your own research on local restrictions. If we see a bull run, the potential gains could be massive. If WingBits achieves the same market cap and tokenomics as GeodNet, we could be looking at a Wings token worth 24 cents. That would mean 100 wings per day, $720 per month. 300 wings per day, over $2,300 per month, including GeodNet earnings. Again, this is all speculative, but the potential is huge. And since there are only about 2,100 WingBits devices currently active, we're still very early in this opportunity. These devices are available for pre-order from Helium Deploy, with deliveries expected in January 2025. So is this a good investment? As with all crypto projects, there are risks. Token prices fluctuate, and earnings depend on location and demand. But considering that GeodNet miners alone have been earning over $200 per month, adding WingBits mining on top makes this a very attractive deal. With only 2,100 devices currently on the network, getting in early could be extremely profitable. If you're interested, check out the links in the description for purchase details, promo codes, and more information. And before you go, don't forget to drop a comment below and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content.